Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to discuss exponential function. So mainly how to sketch the graph for the f inverse. Okay, so basically we need to refer to the power of the exponent. If the power is positive, so the graph will be towards the right. If the coefficient of the power is negative, then the graph will be moving from the right towards the left. So in this case, the situation is positive x, so our graph will be towards the right. So now we need to find the basic graph. So basically, y is equals to exponent x. That is our basic graph. Okay, so as we all know, for the exponential function or the exponent function, y equals to exponent x. Basically, you have to know the the horizontal asymptote. So the horizontal asymptote is y equals to 0. So y equals to 0. So exponent x, we have the positive coefficient for the power. So the graph will be something like this, from the left towards the right. So y equals to exponent x. And as we all know, the intercept will be equals to 1. Because when x equals to 0, y will be equals to e to the power of 0. So y will becomes to 1. So we have the coordinate 0, 1. And next, we are going to multiply with 1 over 3. Okay, 1 over 3. So second basic graph is exponent x multiply with 1 over 3. So basically the idea is still the same, meaning that the asymptote still y equals to 0, because 0 multiplied with y, we still have y equals to 0. And the graph will be the same. Okay, just that the value of y. So when x equals to 0, we have y equals to e to the power of 0 over 3. So y will become 1 over 3. So the coordinate for the y-intercept will be 0, 1 over 3. So here we have 1 over 3. So y equals to exponent x over 3. Third step, okay, we need to multiply with negative. Okay, so y equals to negative exponent x over 3. So basically, the horizontal asymptote will be still the same. Okay, because y equals to 0 multiply with negative, we will still have 0. Y equals to 0. But now the situation has become different, because the value for 1 over 3, we need to multiply with negative. So it will become negative 1 over 3. Okay, so let's imagine if the situation, okay, let's say the y is 0.1, the value of y is 0.1. Okay, the value of y is 0.1. If we multiply with negative, it will become negative 0.1. Take another example. If let's say here the value of y is 10. If we multiply with the negative, so we will have negative 10. So basically our graph will be something like this. And we name it y is equals to negative exponent x over 3. So now the final one, okay, the situation will be plus 2 over 3. So y equals to negative exponent x over 3 plus 2 over 3. What kind of thing plus 2 over 3? The y. Okay, why we said this one is the y? Kindly refer to the previous situation. So meaning that the whole graph we are going to shift, including the asymptote. So now our asymptote become 2 over 3. Okay, because 0 plus 2 over 3. So our asymptote will become y is equals to 2 over 3. So including this point as well. Okay, so previously is negative 1 over 3. So now we have to add on negative 1 over 3 plus 2 over 3. Our answer will become 1 over 3. So basically the point will be around here. So everything shift upwards. So basically our graph will become something like this. So if you are interested to find this value, so this is the x-intercept. So if y is equals to 0, we need to substitute the situation where we have 0 equals to negative exponent x over 3 plus 2 over 3. So I'm going to rearrange where we have exponent x over 3 equals to 2 over 3. So now I'm going to find the value of x. So I'm going to multiply both sides, okay, with 3. So we will have exponent x equals to 2. So this is the index form. So now I'm going to convert to log form. So x will be equals to log base e2. So as we all know, log base e actually equals to ln. So x will become ln 2. So the coordinate will be ln 2, 0. Okay, and then for this point, the value will be 0, 1 over 3. Okay, so this will be the function. Okay or not? So now we're going to talk about the domain and the range. So the domain for the f inverse kindly refers to the value of x for the left and the right. So it will be negative infinity until infinity. For the range for f inverse, we need to refer to the value of y. So in this case, the minimum value for y would be negative infinity until the maximum one. Okay, the maximum one will be 2 over 3, where 2 over 3 is not included. So that is the process on how to sketch the f inverse or the graph for the exponential function. So here we are, and thanks for watching.